Hey guys, Roland from ReveMoto, and today we are working on this 2017 Cadillac Escalade rear bumper removal. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on push notification. And if you guys need this particular bumper for your vehicle, already painted to the color of your car, shipped straight to you, and with the help of this video, you can install it at home. Go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body part source. Let's go ahead and get started on this vehicle. So on this side right here, as you guys can see, it's already damaged. So the same thing that we're gonna do on the other side, which is remove the bolts right here. You're gonna have to do it on this side, but this side right here is already mangled up. So let me show you guys what those bolts look like on the other side. All right, so it's kind of dark, but right here, you're gonna see a bunch of 7mm bolts. Let me show you guys a little bit closer. You guys can see there's one on top right here, and then on the sides you're gonna see a bunch of them running down. I think there's gonna be 2, 4, 6 of them. So I got a power tool, but if you guys have a handheld one, it's perfectly fine too. It just takes a little bit longer. But this one right here is gonna be a 7mm right there. Let's go ahead and take it off. And these bolts look like this. All right. So you're gonna do the exact same thing you guys did here on the other side. All right, so now we're gonna go underneath the vehicle. All right, once you guys are underneath the vehicle, you're gonna see this bolt right here, and I believe that's gonna be a 12. It's gonna be running all the way underneath. It's gonna be 4 of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. All right, so let's take a look at what size this is. I believe it's gonna be a 12. Yes, it's gonna be a 10. That one. I just get an extension just so it gives me more leverage. Take this off. And that's what these bolts look like. Be 4 of them. All right, next step is there's gonna be bolts back here. We gotta open this up. If you guys have this cover right here, just go ahead and remove it. Basically what it does is like clips on right here like this. And then if you guys go to the bottom, the first thing you guys gotta do is take this thing, and then it's gonna be like this. Basically it's facing like this way sideways, and just twist it and then it comes off. So you guys have this right here, and it's gonna be like a star bit. Let's see what size it is. Alright. So that's gonna be a Torx bits. It's gonna be a T20. And just take off these 2 right here, and same thing on the other side, there's gonna be 2. Alright, so these bolts look like this. There's two of them. Alright guys, so we are ready to take off the bumper. The one thing you guys have to be careful of is like yanking it and then making it fall down. Because remember, you guys have these sensors and there's a plug on this side that you guys have to take off. Okay, so let's go ahead and follow my steps. We're gonna go on the one side, we're gonna take off. We're gonna come to the side right here and we're just gonna pull. Just like that, so you guys can see. It's just clipped on there. Okay, so leave it. This side's already off, as you guys can see. But you guys do the same thing on this side. But whenever you guys are about to take it off, so come and pull it into the middle. Like that. And then lower it gently. And then I'm going to show you guys this plug right here. So this plug is already off on this vehicle, but basically you come over here and there's this white piece that you pull or you push back and then it releases the plug. Alright guys, that's how you take off a rear bumper off a 2017 Cadillac Escalade. If you guys have any questions, comment down below and I'll answer all those questions for you. Thank you guys.